Good morning to all. Today our chapter is height and distance from class 10 book M. L. Agarwal. Height and distance. Chapter name is height and distance, one of the application of trigonometry. From the book M. L. Agarwal, exercise 20 for ICSE students. Question number 1. See, question number 1, it is given an electric pole is 10 meter high. An electric pole 10 meter high, that means height of the electric pole given 10 meter. Let AB be the height of electric pole given 10 meter. Its shadow, the shadow of the electric pole will be here, that is BC, it is given 10 root 3. Find the elevation of the sun. When the sun is here, the elevation of the sun you have to find out. Like this. This is the sun. Okay. Elevation of the sun you have to find. Let that angle of elevation be theta. First of all, you have to explain what is AB. Here, AB equal to height of electric pole, which is equal to 10 meter, and BC, that is length of shadow, which is equal to 10 root 3. Now you have to apply tan theta. Tan theta formula is what? P by B, perpendicular by base. P means here AB in my figure, and BC, that is 10 meter by 10 root 3 meter. Therefore it is coming, how much coming? 10 cancel, 1 by root 3. You have to apply the trigonometric table values. Tan theta, tan how much is 1 by root 3? That is tan 30 degree, 1 by root 3. Comparing both sides, we will get theta is equal to 30 degree. So what is the angle of elevation? The angle of elevation is angle of elevation of the sun. Therefore, the elevation of the sun is equal to 30 degree. Number 1 completed. Let us go number 2. Let us go question number 2, exercise 20. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground and at a distance of 150 meter from its foot is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower correct to 1 place of decimal. Question number 2, exercise 20. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground and at a distance of 150 meter from the foot is 30 degree. And the height of the tower. Okay, let us see. Question number 2. See, let AB be the height of tower. Okay. That is distance 150 meter, that let that point be C. 150 meter from its foot. And the height of the tower, you have to find out. Angle of elevation from the top of the tower is 30 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground at a distance of 150 meter. That means you have to write here AB. AB kya? What is AB? AB is the height of tower. That you have to find out. Height of tower. That you have to find out. Let that be X. Say BC is equal to given at a distance of 150 meter, and here theta means 30 degree. Angle of elevation of the top of tower, that is given 30 degree. You have to apply here. You have to apply tan, when a tangent of that angle, tan 30, that is as for the formula, tan theta formula is P by B, means P means here AB by BC. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB equal to how much? Not given, that I have taken as X. Let that be X meters. BC 150 meter. Therefore, x will be how much? X is equal to 150 by root 3. You have to rationalize. Rationalizing the denominator, it will be 150 root 3. 150 root 3 by root 3 into root 3. That means 50 root 3. 50 root 3. 50 into root 3 value is 1.732. If we will multiply 50 into 1.732, 1.732, how much coming? Just to multiply and tell the last name. It is 6.6. It is 6.6 meter. Therefore, the height of the tower. Therefore, the height of tower is 86.6 meter. Let us go question number 3. Just see. Question number 3. Just to see, a ladder is placed against a wall such that it just reaches the top of the wall. The foot of the ladder is 1.5 meters away from the wall, and the ladder is inclined at an angle of 60 degrees with the ground and the height of the wall. That means ladder is placed against the wall such that it just touches the top of the wall, and the foot of the ladder is 150 meters away from the foot. Just see. First of all, you have to draw the figure. Suppose this is the wall and this is the ladder. Okay. And this is 90 degrees. Let AB is the height of the wall, AC is the ladder. The length of ladder, let us see, 1.5 meter away from the foot of the ladder. The ladder is inclined at an angle 60 with the ground, and that just touches the top of the wall. Now you have to apply tan 60 degree. First of all, you write what is AB here. AB equal to height of tower, height of building. Let me see, just height of the wall, height of the wall not given. Let that be x meter, and BC given 1.5 meter, and theta the angle, that is 60 degree given here. Then you have to apply now tan theta formula is what? P by B, perpendicular by base. Here P means here AB by BC. Tan 60 is equal to AB not given, I have taken as x, BC 1.5 meters. Tan 60 value is root 3, that means 1.5 root 3 is equal to x. If I multiply root 3 value, that is 1.5 into 1.732, I will get the value of x is equal to how much? 2.6 meters. 2.6 meters. And this is the height of the wall. Therefore, final answer is height of wall is equal to 2.6 meters. Let us go next number. Question number 4. What is the angle of elevation of the sun when the length of shadow of a vertical pole is equal to height? Means length of vertical pole and its shadow are equal to each other. What is the angle of elevation of the sun? Number 4, exercise 20. What is the angle of elevation of the sun when the length of shadow of a vertical pole, the pole is vertical pole, is equal to its height? Let us see. Question number 4. As per the question, the angle of elevation, you have to find out that the angle of elevation be theta. The length of shadow BC here, BC, length of shadow not given, and AB, that is the height of the vertical pole. Okay, height height of vertical pole, height of vertical pole given and length of shadow both are equal given. Let that be x to each other. Now theta equal to angle of elevation. Let theta equal to angle of elevation. Okay. Now you have to apply tan theta. Tan theta formula is what? P by B, perpendicular by base. Here perpendicular I have taken as AB and height of the vertical pole, and BC is its shadow. The tan theta, it is both are equal, it will come 1, x by x 1. Tan, how much is 1? Tan theta is equal to tan 45, because tan 45 is 1. Comparing both sides, theta is equal to how much I will get? 45 degree. Therefore, angle of elevation of the sun is equal to how much? 45 degree. Therefore, the angle of elevation is equal to 45 degree. In this question number 4 complete. Let us go to number 5. Question number 5. A river is 60 meter wide. Tree of unknown height is on the bank, each one bank. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree from the point exactly opposite to the foot of the tree on the other bank, okay, is 30 degrees, and the height of the tree. Question number 5. Let us see. First of all, let us draw the figure. First of all, you draw one tree. Let that be AB is the tree, height of tree, opposite bank of the river, and BC the width of the river, that is BC. 60 meter wide, 60 meter the width of the river given. AB is the tree, and angle of elevation is how much given? 30 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree from other bank, that is AB, and it is given 30 degree. First to write here, AB is equal to height of tree, that is not given. Let that be x meter, and BC the width of the river, width of the river how much given? 60 meter, and theta, that is angle of elevation, given 30 degree. Angle of elevation given 30 degree. Angle of elevation of the top of the tree at this point. Now you have to apply tan theta. Tan theta formula is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular means here an angle front side, x I have taken here, and BC means here 60 meter. Tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to x by 60. Tan 30 value is how much? 1 by root 3 into 60 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to how much? X will be, you have to rationalize the denominator, 60 root 3 by root 3 into root 3. That is coming 60 by root 60 into root 3 by 3 by 3. It is coming 20 root 3. 20 root 3 means 20 into 1.732. If you will multiply, you will get how much? 34.64. That is 60. Okay. The height of the tree is 34.64 meter. In this way, question number 5 I have completed today. Thank you for today's class.